everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be putting in some XML2 LED fog lamps on my 2017 Chevy Colorado. These are from Diode Dynamics. I actually bought these used off of a member of the Colorado forums, but they were very lightly used. So these are a direct swap plug and play. I'm just going to show you how to get access to the areas you need to. To get access to the fog lamps, you need to come on either wheel well, and it helps to turn your wheel one way or the other to disassemble the little Torx bolts that are along the fender liner. So it's a T15 Torx bit, but just go ahead and remove, 3 or 4 or 5, as much as you think you need to open up this section. I'll probably remove these 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then you can peel back the fender liner and get in there. Alright, once you have those removed, you can peek in here, and I'll get a flashlight here in a minute, but basically the fog lamp is right there. So there's your fog lamp. There's basically these 2 little clips on the side that you depress like this. Press in, and then you pull that straight out. And then to remove the bulb, you need to come to the top of this black connector here and push on that and release the bulb. So with the new LED, this is what's going to sit in the housing, and this is what you're going to hook up to the harness. There's little slots on the fog light housing that line up with the connector on the bulb. Make sure you get those lined up. And then you take your connector and attach it to your plug. So with the new LED, once you have it all connected, give it a test before you button up the fender liner. There's the fog light. Nice color match there to the new headlights as well. Once you're satisfied that you got your connectors all hooked up correct, go ahead and replace your fender liner bolts and just tighten them up. Don't go crazy cranking on them, but just enough to snug them in. Then you can repeat the process on the passenger side. Just turn your wheel, like I did on this one, turn it in to the fender well. One more thing, guys, there is an adjustment screw on these fog light housings. You come in and it's this part of the housing on the bottom. Use a regular Phillips screwdriver, and you can turn clockwise and counterclockwise to adjust these up and down. So just another hint for you there. That's all there is to it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribed, and stick around, stay tuned for more. Later.